Hello gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. Hello if you're new. If you're new, it means so much if you click that subscribe button to join my YouTube family. I do post every single Tuesday and Thursday, but as you can tell, I am in the bathroom, so I'm so sorry if there's a little bit of an echo. But today is a hair video and I've been wanting to film this for a while now. I wanted to share with you my wet to dry hair routine and basically how I get my hair to look like this and to have lots of volume, be frizz free, and also get that glossy, shiny hair look. This is how I've been styling my hair a lot lately, so I really wanted to share with you everything I do to get my hair the way it is and share with you all the products that I use on my hair after I jump out of the shower. If you want to see a shower routine, I will link that above. I did do that not too long ago. I will link everything down below for you guys that I do use, so definitely go check that out. And with that being said, let's just jump right into the video. Now that I stepped out of the shower and allowed my hair to air dry for a little bit, the first product I always go in with is my Way Detangling and Frizz Free Leave-In Conditioner. This is one of my absolute favorite leave-in conditioners. It smells amazing. It's really going to linger on your hair and it's really great for all hair textures. It will condition, detangle, and also fight frizz. So all I do is just spritz a little bit all over my hair and it's really going to leave your hair smooth, shiny, and manageable. It's just overall really great for dryness, which I definitely struggle with dry hair. It's cruelty-free and made without SLS and SLES. And all the products I do mention is also color safe. I have dyed hair and I recently did dye my hair, so I always like to find products that aren't going to dull my hair dye and just kind of make it more vibrant. So all the products I do mention are just great for all hair textures and also for colored hair if you do have colored hair, but of course it's also great if your hair is not colored. And whenever I spray in my detangling leave-in conditioner, I go in with a wide tooth comb and just comb it starting from the ends and then bringing it up, trying to be very gentle so I don't pull out my hair. So I usually only do this step, to be honest, when I am going to style my hair. If I'm just going to leave my hair natural, I don't really brush out my hair or anything, just because I do have naturally wavy hair and I find when you brush out your hair it just gets more frizzy and kind of takes out your waves. I am just doing it because I am going to share with you how I style my hair when I do put heat onto it. Of course, whenever you're going to brush out your hair and it's still wet, you want to be extremely gentle because your hair is the most delicate when it is wet, hence why I typically just don't brush out my hair when it is wet most of the times, because I try not to heat style often. But this is what my hair does look like once I got all the knots out, and the leave-in conditioner just really helped with the smoothness and helps with any knots in your hair. So I always love using that product not long after I come out of the shower. Now I'm going to move on to my Moroccan Oil Perfect Defense Heat Protectant. I always make sure to use a heat protectant. I used to be really bad at this, but I really got into the habit and noticed such a difference, and this is the one I've been using for a long time now. I really like this one in particular because it is weightless. It's also argan oil infused, so it really just gives your hair that nice shine as well. It's also a product that is easily layered with other products and it's not going to keep your hair feeling weighed down at all. I just sprayed it all over my hair. You can spray either on damp or dry hair, and my hair was still damp, as you can see. It will protect against all forms of heat up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's just going to also increase the shine. And this product as well is color safe. Once I applied it all over my hair, this is now the time that I am going to share with you what I've been using in order to get that voluminous kind of blowout hair look. So I've been using the Revlon One Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer. I absolutely love this. I got this for Christmas and I haven't stopped using it since. Of course, I don't use it all the time because I try not to put heat on my hair very often anymore. But when I am using this, and this is gonna give you that frizz-free blowout. I love the look of a blowout, but I never really could do one until I got this hair tool. It's super affordable too. too, so I totally recommend it. Like I said, all the products will be linked down below. For the best results when using this tool, I use it when my hair is about 80% dry. You can use it on dry hair, but I just find the best results are when your hair is almost fully dried. And when I do use this on my hair, I section off my hair. I wrap my hair around the tool towards my face. I also do some pieces going away from the face, but it really smooths out your hair, but gives you kind of like those nice curled ends. And it also allows you to get that volume. I always used to straighten my hair, but one thing I was starting not to like about straightening is that it just made my hair very flat. So I love that this tool allows you to kind of have that straight hair look sometimes, but it gives you so much volume and shine at the same time. It has a ceramic coating which helps with heat damage, and it has a tangle-free combination bristles for detangling, improving volume, and in the end you're just gonna get smooth hair but voluminous hair at the same time. And I usually section off my hair 3 different times. So I'll start with the bottom half, then I will remove it and take the middle layer, and then at the very end I will do kind of like my shorter bangs. One thing I love about this tool is it's super great if you have bangs or curtain bangs or just shorter layers. I'm always bad at styling those, especially when I did have curtain bangs, and this tool is such a lifesaver, which I will share with you guys how I style like my short layered pieces, because I am growing out my curtain bangs. I did used to have them, but they are a little bit grown out now, so they're more like shorter layer pieces. But whenever I do go ahead and use this tool, as you guys can see in the clips, I do like to brush out my hair completely just to make sure there's no knots, just so I don't pull my hair, and I'm more gentle on my hair. So every piece that I'm going to style, I brush out my hair before, and I just make sure to get every single knot out just in case, just because if your hair is super knotty and you use this hair tool, you're just going to pull out your hair more. I'm really trying to avoid as much damage as possible when I am using heat. This process takes me super quick, and now I'm at the end and I just remove my last clip so that I can style my short front layer pieces, and I just wrap my hair around the brush kind of away from my face, and this gives you those perfect styled like short layers or even curtain bangs. It really gives that volume, and it perfectly styles them so that they're kind of curled at the ends. And this is how my hair looks like when I styled it with the Revlon hair dryer and voluminizer. Like I said, it has been a game changer in my hair routine. But once I am done using that, I follow up with my Moroccan oil. This is definitely a hair staple for me for many, many years. I will never get sick of using Moroccan oil. The smell just really lingers on your hair. It's an argan oil infused hair treatment that really promotes softer, stronger hair and increased shine, and also less frizz. It's super lightweight, which I love, non-greasy, and it's a fast absorbing formula. It's really great for quick conditioning or just touch-ups as well, and I just apply it to the mid shaft to the ends of my hair, and it's really going to increase that shine. As you guys can see, my hair is just super shiny when using all these products and styling my hair this way. And another one of my hair staples that I love is the Biossance Smooth Proof Serum for frizzy hair. This is another oil I totally recommend. I just like to go with a little bit of this to really just get at my flyaways and help tame the frizz. This really provides humidity control and anti-frizz smoothness while also adding more shine. You guys know I love that silky, glossy, shiny look, and these products really enhance the shine in my hair. It is a paraben-free formula, it's color safe, and it's really just designed to hydrate, heal even the most brittle, frizzy strands to create that sleek, shiny, healthy hair look. So this is how my hair looks completely styled and using all of my after shower hair care products. It is so smooth, so soft, voluminous, shiny, and just everything that you kind of want your hair to have. I just love styling my hair this way, and I'm so in love with these hair products. I've been using them on and off for many years, so I totally recommend all of them. They're really just great for dry hair to help combat frizz and to give your hair that shine, especially if your hair is just looking dull. These products really help with that. Also, I wish you could just smell my hair. I am such a sucker for good smelling hair products that really linger, and it just feels like you stepped out of salon. But this is everything that I do to style my hair from wet to dry. That is all for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thumbs it up if you did. It really helps me out. Like I said, I will have everything I mentioned in the description box. Definitely go check it out if you want to grab any of the products or things that I use to achieve this hair look. Click the subscribe button. I do post every single Tuesday and Thursday. You can also leave any requests you have for me down below. And with that being said, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!